What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another anime song reaction, and you are watching our reaction to Oshinoko Season 2 ending, and this is Burning by Hitsujibungaku. Okay, that's kind of long. I'm not familiar with Hitsujibungaku, and we finished Oshinoko Season 2 already. We haven't seen the ending, so this is gonna be like a blind reaction again. We're not really sure how is this gonna go. And probably if it's not gonna take long, we are also going to react to the full song and music video of Burning.
Let's see.
So I don't want to prolong this intro. Let's just dive right in. Let's go. Is that blood?
I thought it's hair. Oh my god. That's nice. Oh, the hawks from the
Is
little
that
girl.
a ring?
Oh, it does. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the crow's from the little girl.
Oh, crow. Yeah.
I'm mixed feelings.
I have mixed feelings.
But it's
too.
focused on Ruby, so I feel like the ending is Ruby finally diving into the darkness. I feel,
Oh yeah. Yeah. Perfect.
especially the crows that we see from the little girl.
Mhm.
We still don't know what the little girl
Yeah. Is by the way.
is or who is she.
Mhm.
I mean, there's this we have this crazy prediction or
Theory.
a theory that she's high. So well, this is her theory.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, because I feel like the girl is mature and knows a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Or maybe she's just small but not really a little girl.
Yeah. Maybe a ghost or
Not-
goddess or something.
Yeah,
I don't know.
probably not really sure, because I feel like, you know, the shrine that was in front of Amamiya Sensei's
Mhm.
corpse.
Mhm.
What if she's the god of that specific shrine?
Yeah.
Or goddess.
Yeah. Could be.
So we're not really sure, but yeah, okay. Going back to the ending, we're mixed feelings, but probably we have, or we're going to have a lot to say when we see the lyrics already. So
Yeah.
we're going to react to the full song with lyrics.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to react to the music video maybe next time, because we really want to focus on the lyrics.
Yep.
And the music video, or the official music video by Hitsujibungaku, it doesn't have the closed caption or lyrics or
Mhm.
English lyrics. So please bear with us. We just want to know. that, because whatever the pain is, I'm burning my life while turning it to brilliance. Maybe hence the stars in her eyes.
Yeah.
So it probably same goes for I as well. She's not aware of the pain that she was feeling because she didn't know what love is. I guess.
Yes. So she just
Turned
put
to
all
like
her energy
in
in
entertainment and for the
Exactly.
people.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
But
Probably connected to the god of entertainment that they were talking about
yeah.
in Miyagi.
Oh my god.
Shit.
That last line.
Holy shit.
Oh my
I think
god.
Ruby, what we saw with Ruby plunging into darkness is connected to that specific line. So, holy shit.
Holy shit is right.
So instead of us seeing Ruby burning out her life, we
Mhm.
see her plunging into darkness and starting to burn out her life by, because you know what? I don't know why, but you know how people do it, like separate work from life, but she wasn't able to do that in the shoot that they did.
Yeah.
But in a way, the director or Memcho's friend
Mhm,
made
mhm.
it work.
Yeah. That's why it became brilliance and at that part. I love how they did the opening according to Aquas. Because that's what happened.
Yes.
in
And
the-
now the ending was focused on Ruby.
That's how the season went.
And I feel like, in a way, it's not ironic, but at the same time fitting.
Yeah.
Because
perfect.
in the season enders, or like the latest, or basically the last episodes, it's all about Ruby. Well,
yeah.
in the ending, it is all about Ruby.
Yeah.
So this is basically like an introduction on probably what's going to happen with Ruby in the next season.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
It's perfect. Everything's perfectly timed. It's like a master plan. How do you call this, the thing that evil mad scientists?
Perfectly well or perfectly well thought out plan
Something like
or
that.
strategized.
Yeah.
So
Feels like that. It feels like we're in on it.
yeah,
Right?
in a
You
way, yeah.
feel the plot twist, and I can feel it through the song actually.
Me too. But this is crazy. But
I
yeah.
was mad in the song actually. I was crunching my face for some reason. Like I feel the pain
I
that
know,
they were
like, me
talking
too.
about, the
Like,
burning feeling.
I don't know how they do it. It maybe
Yeah.
it's because of the lyrics. But if you go back, or if we go back to our reaction, or us listening to the anime ending version, or the TV anime
Mm.
ending version, of course it was cut short. We didn't know the lyrics. We didn't
Yeah.
know how to feel. We just know that it was about Ruby. And from what I remember, the only line that I understood is burning my life, like Inoshi no Moyase.
Oh, you got that.
Yeah. So I didn't really wanted to comment on that earlier because I'm really not sure if I understood it right.
But
So-
you got it right.
But dude,
Damn.
I feel somewhat sad for the both of them, especially for Ruby now, because for now Aqua kind of probably temporarily let it go because he didn't know that baby daddy is still alive.
Yeah.
But I feel bad for Ruby because she doesn't know what Aqua was like planning or like doing. And now she knows somewhat because of that weird kid that we saw that it's her baby daddy, and she knows that, and she's expecting that Aqua is doing something about it.
He's not anymore.
But for now, he's not doing anything. And I don't know, what if she found out about that and she does something that Aqua could, end up regretting
Yeah.
that,
Exactly.
regretting the fact that he should have like digged deeper into it and not let Ruby do anything.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm like really scared of. So it's not about the ending anymore, but
Yeah.
it gives us that feeling.
Yeah. That's why the scratchy. When we watched the TV anime version, the music, the instrumentals
The
actually
guitars.
overpowered the
Yeah.
vocals at the first
Yeah.
part. Now I understand why. It's to evoke that feeling of
Yeah.
pain and
Actually, yeah.
grunge
I
something.
actually,
like
I
rock.
never expected the vocalist to sound like this. I actually thought that the singer is gonna be a guy, or this is gonna be performed by a band, a guy band. If from what I don't know if Hitsujibungaku is a girl band or like a mixed, but I never expected that the vocalist will be female.
Yeah.
Which is fitting as well because this is Ruby.
Yes, exactly. And there was a part where it's mellow again. Like,
Like, what are
I
you
can't
trying
do it,
to-
but
what are
yeah.
you trying to do to us, kind of?
I swear. Where do they find
I
these
don't
artists?
But yeah,
They're
that's it for your reaction. Gosh, mixed feelings, kind of, but it is really good
Yeah.
and a really heartfelt and pain.
Pain. Pain
Pain.
all over. Burning pain.
But if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. It will help us out, and it will definitely help the channel out. So please click that subscribe button. And if you are already subscribed, please do not forget to click on the notification bell to not miss out on any of our videos. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave comments, let us know if we missed anything or if there's additional trivias regarding the song, regarding the artist in creating this song. So we would definitely appreciate that. And yeah, if you want to give us extra support or more support, we have our Patreon. So we release full, uncut, and early reactions there. Also, if you happen to notice that there are muted parts in this reaction, please head on over there because I post this reaction or anime songs reaction there, and make it free or make it public to the free members for a month.
Yeah.
So that's a privilege. So yeah, please head on over to our Patreon and enjoy join the shenanigans, join the party.
Yeah. Don't forget to follow us on our socials. Spread good juju and have more shenanigans.
And there you have it. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, please take care, stay safe, have a great day, and have a great week. And on to the next one.
Go.
So yeah, we will see you on our next video or reaction.
Bye.